What it do, gang? It's Shiesty Grows 420, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we will be unboxing the Vivosun Clip-On Fan. It's a 6-inch clip-on fan that's rated at 110 volts. I also purchased this on Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into the box. As you can see, we got the 6-inch clip-on fan from Vivosun. On the top of the box, it says, "Do not open with scissors or knife." So hopefully this tape is not going to be a hassle to get off. So we shall see. And exactly like I thought, I'm having trouble getting the tape off. Getting this tape off is going to be a struggle. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go grab my knife and I'll be right back with you guys. We have our trusty Cobalt box opener. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be slow and easy with opening the box so I don't damage my fan. Cut it like butter, and now we're in the box. So what we're looking at here will be the base of your fan. This is what you will attach to your pole. Also, it came with a manual. I would say a little bit of instructions, but putting together a fan is kind of, I would say, an easy job. So we really shouldn't need the manual for this one, but I'm gonna give you guys a view of what it's looking like. It's very simple instructions. I think it's only one bolt that goes into this fan, so it really shouldn't be no hassle in us putting it together. It's only one bolt, so let's get the fan opened up and we'll get right into it. As I said previously, this is your base to your fan, in which we will be using this to attach our fan to the grow tent poles. So let's get into the fan. Nice heavy fan, it doesn't feel light. The fan definitely came bagged up so to prevent damage, so that's definitely a good one, because you never know when shipping stuff, anything can happen. So it's good that they take precautions to make sure the fan doesn't get damaged. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a view of what the fan is looking like. The 6-inch Aerowave Clip-On Fan from Vivosun. In the back, we have 2 speeds, high and low, and we have a knob for your isolating, or if you want it in a standard position, which is always cool as well. But I think most of us who have grow tents will have it oscillating inside of our grow tent. And as mentioned, you only have one screw that has the bolt up to the fan, which makes it a really simple install. So let's go ahead and get this unscrewed, and we'll slide our fan into position and tighten it back up. It also comes with 1 washer and 1 screw. And like magic, we slide our fan into the position, and there it goes. So our next step will be to slide the screw back in, and there you have it. An easy installation, and also hanging it up in the grow tent definitely shouldn't be a problem. So let's go ahead and get our screw in, and we'll get this bolt tightened back up. And there you have it. Just like clockwork, we have put together a Vivosun 6-inch Aerowave Clip-On Fan. So the next step will be to hang this up in the grow tent and produce a little bit more airflow for your ladies. And with that being said, if you don't have airflow, you're gonna be in a world of problems in your grow tent. I can say that from experience. So make sure you keep fans blowing on your ladies at all times, and also keep your ventilation system going. But I also want to share with you guys the fan I had previously in my grow tent, and also so you guys will be aware and don't make the same mistake I did. This fan here, I purchased it off Amazon as well, and I must say this is the crappiest fan in the world. I think it stopped isolating after like 15 days, and then it started making like a clicking sound. So all in all, I would say do not purchase this fan. I can't remember the manufacturer's name and don't really want to, but if you see white and blue, stay away, because this fan is crap. And I would not suggest you guys get it and put it in your tent. Even if you are on a budget, save up a couple extra dollars and purchase a better fan. Go with a Vivosun or any other manufacturer, just not the one who make this white and blue one. That'll do it for today's video. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys use in your grow tent. Any questions, grow tips, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. It's Shiesty Grows 420, and I'm out.
Just subscribed.